Welcome to the session on Construction of Ellipse using Eccentricity Method. Let us begin. Construct an ellipse using the eccentricity method. When the distance of focus from the directrix is 50 mm and eccentricity is equal to 2/3, draw the tangent and normal at any point on the curve. First, let us extract the data from the given statement. Focus is equal to 50 mm. Eccentricity is equal to 2/3. Based on this given data, let us start the construction of the ellipse. Now, draw a vertical line called directrix. Mark it as D and D'. Next, draw a horizontal line perpendicular to D and D', which is called axis. Then, mark it as C and A. Next, mark the focus, F, on the axis at 50 mm from the directrix, as the given focus is 50 mm. Next, mark the vertex, V1, between C and F using the eccentricity. Since eccentricity is given as 2/3, multiply the focus with the numerator and divide it by the sum of numerator and denominator. In this case, we get 20 mm. Now mark the vertex, V1, at 20 mm from the focus. Next, with the same distance of V1F, draw a vertical line V1x downwards from the point V1. Next, join CX and extend it as shown. Next, divide the axis line to the right side of the vertex into equal divisions, 1, 2, 3, and so on, as shown, preferably at a 10 mm distance between the points. Next, draw vertical lines through those points. Mark the intersecting points of those lines with inclined line CX, and mark it as 1', 2', etc. up to 14'. Now take the distance of 1 to 1' using a compass. With F as the center, cut the line 1 above and below the axis line. Mark the respective points as P1 and P1'. Similarly, take the distance between 2 and 2', 3 to 3', and cut the respective lines with F as the center. Mark the respective points as P2 and P2', P3 and P3' respectively. Repeat the process until it cuts the axis line but not the vertical line. Mark the respective point as vertex V2. Next, join all the points intersected by the arc to get an ellipse. Next, draw the tangent and normal as follows. Mark any point on the curve as E. Next, join E with the focus F. Next, draw a perpendicular line to EF, such that it intersects the directrix DD'. Mark it as G. Next, join GE with a straight line and extend it, and the line GE is tangent to the curve. Mark the point TT' as the tangent to the curve, passing through the point E. Next, draw a line perpendicular to TT', passing through the point E. Mark it as the normal. NN'. Hope the construction procedure of the ellipse using the eccentricity method is clear. Thanks for learning.